Greetings to all of you traders out there, wherever you are in the world. This Azam Karmaya from AT channel, specialized in analyzing and coding trading strategies to help traders to improve their work. Today I will talk about a new scalping strategy. We will explain the rules, test it and finally code it, to see if this strategy is actually working, so let's start. This strategy includes two free super trend indicators. Now let's go ahead and add them to our chart. Now we need to change some settings on one of them. Change ATR period from 10 to 20. And change ATR multiplier from 3 to 5. And also change the colors. Now our strategy is ready, let's go into trading rules. For a long signal to be valid, we need to have a new buy signal issued by the faster super trend. And the slower super trend has to agree. Now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be under the recent lower low. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid, we need to have a new sell signal issued by the faster super trend. And the slower super trend has to agree. Now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be above the recent higher high. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. And we're gonna try a few trades now.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Now it's time to code it to see if it's actually working and what the win rate is. And we're finally done. I will put a link to this code down below in description and it's completely free. Now, let's see the result. As we can see, the win rate is 47% win rate. You can use it but carefully. If you would like to check and try this strategy by yourself, then I provided the link in the description down below. And this was all. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.